In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Gmail accounts on Android. If you use more than one Google account for work, school, or personal email, switching between them quickly can save a lot of time. This method keeps things simple and only uses the Gmail app itself, so you won't be digging through phone settings or signing in and out. It's designed for accounts that are already set up in Gmail on your device. First, open the Gmail app on your Android phone or tablet. You're looking for the familiar Gmail icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When the app opens, give it a brief moment to load your inbox. If you're in a message or a different tab, that's fine. This quick switch works from almost anywhere inside Gmail. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is the small circular image or letter that represents your current Google account. It may show your photo, your first initial, or a generic avatar. Tap that icon once. This opens the Account Switcher panel, a compact menu that lists the Google accounts already signed in to Gmail on this device. Now, simply tap the Gmail account you want to use. Choose the email address or avatar from the list, and Gmail will switch you over immediately. You'll know it worked when your inbox updates to show messages from the account you selected. The profile icon in the top right will also change to match that account, which is a handy visual confirmation. From this point on, anything you do, reading, searching, archiving, or composing, will happen under the account you picked. When you tap Compose, Gmail automatically uses the selected account as the sender, so you won't accidentally send messages from the wrong address. A few quick notes to keep your workflow smooth. This fast switch method only cycles through accounts that are already added to Gmail on your Android device. If you don't see the account you're looking for in the list, it isn't currently available in Gmail on that device. Also, switching accounts doesn't sign you out of anything. It just changes which inbox you're viewing. Notifications continue for your other accounts based on their individual settings, so you won't miss important messages while you're working in a different inbox. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, tap your profile icon in the top right, and select the account you want. With a couple of taps, you're exactly where you need to be.